The 2026 Ford Explorer arrives as a bold evolution of Ford's iconic three-row SUV, blending rugged American design with modern efficiency, smarter technology, and improved everyday comfort. The new model embraces a more sculpted, athletic exterior, a more premium cabin, and a suite of advanced technologies aimed at enhancing safety, performance, and convenience. On the outside, the 2026 Explorer features a refreshed design language that feels both tougher and more aerodynamic. The front fascia adopts a wider grille with a bolder mesh pattern, flanked by slimmer LED headlights that deliver a sharper, more confident expression. The hood carries more pronounced character lines, adding muscle and presence. Along the sides, the SUV's proportions remain instantly recognizable, but the profile looks cleaner thanks to redesigned wheel options, subtly reshaped fenders, and improved body contouring. At the rear, new LED taillights stretch wider across the tailgate, giving the Explorer a more modern and upscale appearance. The overall look feels more refined, yet still ready for adventure, an ideal balance for families who want an SUV that looks stylish in the city and capable on the trail. Inside, the 2026 Explorer takes a leap forward in quality and technology. Ford introduces upgraded soft-touch materials, quieter insulation, and improved seating comfort to elevate the overall cabin experience. The dashboard now features a more driver-focused layout, with a larger central touchscreen running Ford's latest infotainment interface, offering faster responses and more intuitive navigation. The 2026 Explorer continues to offer a wide range of powertrain options to meet different driving needs. The base engine delivers strong efficiency for daily commuting, while available turbocharged variants provide confident acceleration for highway merging and towing. For drivers seeking a greener yet capable option, Ford enhances its hybrid technology, delivering smoother power delivery and improved fuel economy without compromising performance. Drive modes adapt the SUV's behavior to different terrains, whether navigating slippery roads, rough trails, or long-distance highway cruising. The handling feels more stable and controlled thanks to refinements in suspension tuning and braking response, giving the Explorer a more composed and confident feel behind the wheel. Overall, the 2026 Ford Explorer represents a thoughtful blend of modernization and tradition. It offers the space, durability, and versatility that families expect, while introducing enough innovation, style, and refinement to make it one of the most compelling three-row SUVs of its class.